Okay, so here we have the area of triangle ABC is at least 48, but no more than 60. If y is an integer, what is one possible value of x? Okay, so this one, whenever it says like what is one possible value, we know that there's multiple options, which makes sense because there is a inequality range from it being 48 to 60. So how could we express the area of the triangle? Well, that would be the base. So we know area is equal to base times height divided by 2. The area would be the base, which is 12, multiplied by y divided by 2. And then we also know, so we'll say area is equivalent to 6y if I were to reduce that. And then I'm told that this area, it's at least 48, at least, so it's less than or equal to 6y, which is less than or equal to 60. And then this actually becomes an inequality question. So I can now divide each side by 6, which goes in perfectly, because that would be that 8 is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 10. So I know y is equal to 8, 9, or 10. And I can also see that the triangles that they provide us here, they're both similar. How do I know that? Because they each have a right angle and they also share the same angle A. And since they're similar triangles, they have two pairs of congruent angles, the following proportion would also be true. So I'm just going to show like triangle ABC is similar to triangle, we'll call it like A, B, C, like D, E. Okay, so then I know that X corresponds to Y, so X corresponds to Y. I know that the X side or the Y side would correlate to 12, and then the X would correspond to 5 because they're similar to each other. Does that make sense, everyone? And then as for X, I don't know what that is. However, with Y, I can choose in one of these values. So let's go with 8, for example. And then I can say X over 8 is equal to 5 over 12. Then we get 12X is equal to 40. And then 40 divided by 12. So X equals 40 over 12, which we can simplify to divide everything by 4. So that would be 10 thirds. So that could be one possibility. Or you could do like also x over 9 equals 5 over 12, which would be 12x is equal to 45. So you would get that x is equal to 15 fourths. Or you can have x over 10 is equal to 5 over 12, which would be 12x is equal to 50. And then x would be equal to 25/6 as well. So all of these are possible answers. Similar triangles. Oh my goodness, wasn't that such a good one? So good, so amazing. Hi guys, I'm Jackie. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe if you like this video and you want to keep getting more amazing SAT questions. Thank you again and have an amazing day.